Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube, and today we are going to be looking at Voyager Token. Voyager Token trades by the name of VGX, and huge shout out to all the VGX heroes. So before we get into TA, check me out on Twitter at Real6Fig. This is where I break down charts, post news, upcoming videos, things like that. So if you're on Twitter, hit me up. Back to VGX, folks. It looks like we have a super nice floor at right around $2.20. And I can remember back in late September, back in early October, I was saying, hey guys, look, this thing could be going down to $2.20. And people were looking at me with some pretty crazy eyes. But nonetheless, here we are at $2.20. We can see a clear descending triangle, which means that we are squeezing price action. And when we start squeezing price action like this, we will get super volatile results, meaning this thing is going to either break the floor heading downwards, or we are going to break upwards. So this is a very important and pivotal point in time for Voyager Token. Let's look at the daily chart, see if we got any 200 moving average showing up there. We don't. And really, we can see that basically since August, pretty much, we have really been trading sideways. Maybe since early September. But interestingly enough, this is just nothing but a bunch of spinning tops, which is so bizarre. So that's telling me that we are getting heavy selling and heavy buying either way. So it's like a big game of tug of war here, and there's a lot of red candles, unfortunately. The green days haven't lasted long, so I think it's time for VGX holders to get their day to eat here. I really do. RSI sitting at 37, and it's been way low for months and months on end. This is one of the most oversold, highest value cryptos that I think probably is on the market right now. Not financial or trading advice. Currently, we are seeing a little bit of cloud formation here. Now, this is important for me to see this because this is a good distance away from the cloud, and so I'm hopeful that we would see price action start gearing up and heading towards this cloud. I can't really see if this cloud comes over like this and then goes up. Nobody knows. But let's look at a 12-hour chart and just kind of see. So yeah, I would definitely speculate at this point in time, given the distance from the cloud, that price action is probably going to move upwards. And in addition, bear with me one second, I do think that this is a great opportunity for Voyager Token to do so. We want Voyager Token to cut through this cloud right at this angle, because if we keep going down lower, we're going to see this cloud continue to get thicker, just like we saw here. And it's very hard for price action to break through that type of cloud. We saw it try to break through this thick cloud here, and it just wasn't happening. Same with right here, just wasn't happening. So this is where Voyager Token needs to travel through, and I do think that at this point in time, the chart looks bullish, something that I haven't been able to say about Voyager Token for a long time, and that's just because when you watch these videos, folks, you have to understand that I'm never going to come on here and bullshit you guys about the price. I'm never going to give you hopium, and I'm going to tell it exactly how it is. So I do think that Voyager Token is looking good, and this squeeze is going to produce some dramatic results. And let's just kind of price speculate here, because that's kind of always fun. Let's go ahead and just see what kind of results we might be looking at. We do know that this is a very large multi-month descending triangle. We can see this. This dates all the way back to August to current day. And I do think that if we do see Voyager Token run, it's definitely going to come up to at least this $3.12 level or $3.41 level. Not right away, but my guess is that we see some sort of Elliott wave theory impulse to the upside, something like that. And this will last into November. So I do think November is going to be a good month for Voyager, and I do think that we are going to see some happy VGX holders, including myself. So with that said, solid company, solid fundamentals, solid leadership, good business ethics. And you can't ask for a better company than Voyager Token, in my opinion. A couple 100 million Voyager tokens in circulation, or available at least. And that really is a nice feeling to know that, hey, we could squeeze super high, $100 level in a matter of years, depending on how well things scale for the team at Voyager. So with that said, this is not a paid promotion or anything like that. I just have had a lot of people asking me to do TA on Voyager Token. So here you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Big shout out to all the Patreons. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you would like to be a Patreon, it's $3 a month. Get your name, YouTube channel, or business name up on this banner. Everyone has a wonderful day.